So these are the visuals, live visuals coming in from Bangkok in Thailand. Let's just dip in because I can already hear cheers as Prime Minister Modi alights from the aircraft and is en route now to the visit. So that's Prime Minister Narendra Modi arriving at the airport in Bangkok. A ceremonial guard of honor that's being granted to him. But remember, like the representative said just about a few moments ago, that India is a leading voice when it comes to the BIMSTEC nations. And when you have someone in Bangladesh who's leading the country, who's instead busy promoting the Chinese economy, a push for Chinese economy, what can the BIMSTEC nations do instead to come together and not let China perhaps overtake or dominate the narrative right now? We're talking about India, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Nepal and Sri Lanka together in Bangkok, which is hosting this year's BIMSTEC summit. Remember, the focus will be especially on sea. The Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. BIMSTEC is an international organization. And when you talk right now of maritime boundaries, when you talk about how the war is as much a focus in the sea as it is on the land, that is why one of the reasons is the development in each of these countries vis-a-vis the waterways will be very crucial. That's one of the reasons India's northeast is being developed at a fast pace. Look at that. The cheers coming in of Modi from Indian diaspora in Thailand. Many of them, remember, living in Thailand for generations now, but strong Indian connect remains. Prime Minister Narendra Modi walking out of the aircraft.
थाईलैंड में बिम्स्टेक शिखर सम्मेलन में हिस्सा लेते हुए
The Gujarati Dandiya to the folk dance from different states. Look at that. India in all its diversity in Thailand. Remember, like the panelist who was talking to us just about a short while ago said, how over 2 million tourists from India have come to Thailand in just 1 year, the past 1 year. They are hopeful it will go about 3 million now. But what an interesting visual here, because each time, this is of course not an isolated event, people getting emotional, overwhelmed, teary eyes that they've been able to shake hands with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It's always a rousing welcome. And this time as well, remember, from 4th to 6th of April, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be at the BIMSTEC summit and will be interacting, of course, as much with the politicians, but also the focus will be business, investments, and to ensure that with India, each of these nations can go together. And remember, this comes right after the announcement by Donald Trump. So therefore, the tariff also could possibly be a part of the discussion, meeting the top delegation that is receiving the Prime Minister. India and Thailand, remember, share strong cultural, ethnic, historic ties. Two countries have been alliance partners. After this, Prime Minister Modi will be heading to Sri Lanka. Various programs aimed at boosting India's cooperation and the BIMSTEC countries. He'll meet